Well, I expect from all the students, sit straight now. One more time, we have come here with one wonderful session where I'm going to ask you kind of random question and you got to respond. Okay, just to check your thought process, your creativity, your thinking, your knowledge. So I'm going to ask you some of the questions which are quite random, and you got to respond them in the proper way. Got it? Okay. So I'll start the proceedings from. Tanmay, you don't have the mic. Just hold on. I'll give. So, Tanmay, we are living in an age where you know the competition is playing a very inevitable role, and there is competition everywhere. So, what do you think that the kind of pressure that we have is it harmful or not?
Peer pressure can in the both ways, negative way and the positive way. Negative way that's skipping prayers, skipping classes, and unhealthy things. Peer pressure can also be in a beneficial way when we use it in a positive way. Peer pressure can also make good decisions and everything. In the conclusion, peer pressure can be harmful also when we use it in a negative way, but it can be also beneficial for us when we use it in a positive way.
Yeah, such a nice answer it is. Now, my next question is that what do you think that reading books or watching videos? Which is better?
Reading books is more important for our life because reading books improve our focus, concentrations, and vocabulary. But the watching videos can reduce our concentrations and the focus in the studies. In the conclusion, reading books is more important than the watching videos.
And what do you think about the life skills in schools? Like in most of the schools, relevant things which
Life,
are which is considered as a real education.
life skills such as financial management and decision making is also essential for us. But the student should learn the life skills. Without the life skill, there is no importance of success because the life skills helps our futures to create the success. In the conclusion, life skill is more should be learned from the students with their academic subjects.
That's very nice. But for that, like discipline also play a very important role. So what do you think about the discipline?
Discipline is also important role for our life. Without discipline, there is no success. Some students say that there should be a talent, but the discipline cannot be lead without the success. Students are already saying that the talent is everything, but the discipline is also an important role in our daily life. Without discipline, we cannot maybe lead to a success.
Very nice. So, but see, you might have seen that suppose that most of the students they are wearing watches, they have the calculator, and you know they are wearing the kind of watch which has a calculator. So this is the act of indiscipline. So what do you think? Like in schools, students should be allowed to use calculator, or in exams even.
Calculator used in exams because their calculator reduce the times and solve the complex problems. But calculator can be also the weakened problem of the students in the mathematics skills. The calculator used in the reducing problems, but it cannot be lead to a good things. It can be a weakened point of the mathematics skills. So we should not have to allow the calculator in the exams.
Very nice, amazing. What's your name? Tanmay.
Yes,
Tanmay,
sir.
keep up the good work. You've done a great job. Now, I have called you for this. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My first question is that what do you think about the junk food?
I think about junk food should be banned in the school canteens. Why? Because junk foods are good and tasty, but they are they cause many diseases in our stomach, and they are totally made up of plastics. It is easily available in the school
No,
canteens.
all are not made up of plastic? Some, like
No, sir.
chips.
All chips, kurkure, there are so many things, eatable items, they are made up of plastics. If it is easily available in the school canteens, then the students are consume like it regularly.
Okay. Now, generally, like these are foundational schools. Our main focus is on physics, chemistry, maths,
Yes, sir.
science part. So, what do you think? Like, should students be allowed to choose their subjects?
Yes, sir. Students should allow to choose their subject. Why? Because take an example of any students and but teachers and his parents are saying that you have to take agriculture subject, and the students don't know about the agriculture spelling, what he do in agriculture subject. So students should allow to choose their subject particular.
And what about English? English is more important, or regional language like Marwari, because most of some of the students are found speaking the regional language. So,
Yes, sir.
what do you think?
English is a global language. It is uh,
It's a global international language.
yes, sir. It help in our career opportunities. Like taken an example of Australia. I am just doing studies very hard, and my job in Australia. I speak religion language. The Australian people don't know what he is saying, so we have to uh, speak both language, religion, and culture.
Okay. And what about the regional language? Like Marwari, we should not respect. What about the
No,
culture? What about the heritage?
it shows our quality in the culture.
Okay.
Both are good.
What about the artificial intelligence? We are living in a AI world now. So is it threat to job, or it's like what do you think? Because a lot of people say that AI will take over your job.
No, sir, both advantages and disadvantages. We have the advantages that AI help the doctors to know their diagnose problem, and AI saves our time. And the disadvantages is that it creates the fear among the people. People are not able to talk face to face.
Okay. It was a nice talking to you, anyways. Thank you very much. And what about like one more question? Can I ask?
Yes, sir.
What do you think about the grades?
Grades. I think grades should not be given to the students. Why? Because some students are doing crime regularly and they get the grades. And some students they are good in English spoken and they learn new skills. So grades does not reflect the ideal of students.
Very nice. Thank you, Pradeep. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. What's your name? I could see the drastic change in you. Now you are stepping up and you're taking your responsibility. Very nice of you. Now, the question that I'm going to ask you, my first question is that do you think that time management is more important than intelligence? We should manage your time.
Yes, sir. Time management is more important in the life of the student because the student they manage their time, then they give time to their studies and take rest properly. Who manage their time, then they take rest properly. The intelligent student are also fail, then they don't manage their time too properly. In conclusion, the time management is more important than intelligence.
Very, very nice. Um, what about the teachers? Like, who's your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Balakrishna sir.
Okay, I'm honored. I'm touched. Should students be allowed to choose their teacher?
The idea of choosing the student to their teacher that is good also because the student choose their teacher to their choice, then they know how to teacher and the comfortable then the style of teacher and the every teacher have different teaching method and that is bad also because student choose their favorite teacher then they do not work properly and they do not give time to study.
Very nice. Well, you are speaking very well. What do you think should students be encouraged to take risk?
Students should be encouraged to risk because the student take risk, then they learn and new things and new they do new activities
then the student take risk, then they have motivation to do new things. The taking risk is good in life, but the smart taking risk is bad.
No, smart taking risk is better. Okay. What do you think about the co-education?
Co-education. Co-education is both then girls and boys. It promotes equality. In co-education, girls and boys are study in the one class, one school, and the same study. In on the other hand, the one gender education is also good, but the student in the one gender education, they do not focus on their studies and their work.
Okay, so it means the co-education is really good. What do you think about the discipline?
Discipline is the most important part of the life of the student, because then the student is in discipline, then they achieve their goals. Without discipline, they were nothing achieve in their life. Every individuals have discipline, then they achieve their big things. Discipline is more important in the life of the student.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Okay, Mahesh, how are you?
Sir, I am fine.
You are not confident in new environment. What would you do?
I will observe, learn, and gradually interact with others. I will build my confidence step by steps. Adapting new situations are important for growth.
You are given a feedback there that you are too quiet. You don't speak.
I will improve my communication skills, and I will improve and I will participate more in discussions and express my thoughts confidently.
You see your friend underperforming, despite a lot of effort, he's doing a lot of efforts, but he's not performing well. What should you do with it?
I will motivate him and improve him to identify his mistakes. I will encourage him to stay consistent.
You are something against your values.
Yes, sir.
You are asked to do something which is quite against your values. What would you do? I mean, something you don't want to do, and somebody has given you a task. You will don't you think that you will refuse it, or what would you do it?
I will accept it.
You will against your values.
No, sir. I will.
You will refuse it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you have multiple responsibility at the same time.
I will. I will accept it, and I will manage the time, and I will planning discipline, and I will manage the class and the school.
Okay, so on the way you see a person carrying a heavy luggage. What would you do? On the way there is a person he is carrying a heavy luggage.
I will say, please come with me, and I will cross him the highway.
You are given a chance to represent your school.
I will confidently, I will seriously prepare a speech and anything else, and I will motivate the.
You see someone spreading rumors about you, saying that Mahesh is not a good boy. They are spreading rumors. What would you do?
So many students are there spreading rumors over me, and
Okay, you are
That-
stuck in the traffic and getting late for exams. Then
I will claim,
I will stay calm.
I will stay
Calm.
calm, and I will try to search alternative routes if I can, and I will inform to the authority.
Okay, Mahesh, nice job. Nice talking to you. And suppose you feel that your efforts are not recognized. You do a lot of efforts, and nobody's able to recognize your efforts. Anyways, it was a nice. Thank you.
Thanks.
Okay, we have the Abhiman right here with us. How are you, Abhiman?
Sir, I am fine.
Okay, my first question is, Suppose I'm going to ask you some SRT related questions, situation reacting test. Okay, let's see how you are going to respond. See, you notice a friend developing bad habits. What would you do?
If notice that my friend developing bad habits, first of all, I will talk to him privately and explain the effects of negative way, and I will motivate him to only speak or listen the positive and behaving good habits.
Great. See, you are unable to perform well under pressure because there is so much pressure and you are unable to perform well. What would you do?
I will practice handling pressure by improving my communication skills, my creativity, and I will think more and I will improve my thought process also.
Okay, you see your teammate and blaming others for the mistake.
I will speak calmly that accepting mistakes is the maturity and the way to get out from the problems. If we accept the mistakes, it builds the trust and teamwork.
Okay, and you're given a leadership. Suppose like we may have a function here.
Yeah.
You've been given a leadership role, but your friends don't listen to you. Then
If I have given a leadership role but my friend not listen, I will not get frustrated and I will try to communicate and understand what the topic is about. I will say them what are the importance of leadership skills. Good leadership is about the influence, not control.
you're given a negative feedback. Then
If I have given the negative feedback, I will accept it positively and work on improving myself.
and a teacher is teaching in the class, and you are unable to understand the topic.
If I am unable to understand the topic, first of all, I will raise a hand or stand up and ask the what is the meaning of this.
You want to improve your personality.
If I want to improve my personality, I will improve my consistency and I will behave good.
You're asked to perform, complete a task during your rest time.
If I am asked to complete the task during the rest time, I will not disagree. I will accept it and I will do work in same way that not in rest time. If the time remains, I will do rest.
And if somebody criticizes you, in, in front of others,
If somebody criticizes me, I will stay calm and listen it carefully without reacting emotionally. I will analyze whether it is valid or on improving myself.
amazing. I'm quite distant to see the kind of thought process you have. You're truly amazing. You done a great job. Thank you. Okay, Vihan, I'm going to ask you some other question. What do you think about the group pressure? Is good or bad?
Peer pressure can be influenced both student positive and negative ways. Positive peer pressure can students motivate in the study harder, participate activities and improve themselves. However, negative peer pressure can students lead harmful activities, skipping classes and unhealthy habits. Many students are make wrong decisions with their friends. They are vulnerable and especially teenagers. And the solution is awareness and confidence.
I love nice word. Vulnerable.
Peer pressure can
Innocent,
be
yes.
harmful if negative, but it also beneficial if positive encouraged.
What do you think about the marks should mark decide students' future?
Marks should decide the measure of students' ability, and they are the students' candidates selects the higher education and jobs. Marks do not reflect on students. The students are the highly excels in other activities like music, leadership, and etc. Students, the other issue is the pressure.
Okay. Should students be given the part-time jobs?
Part-time job can management time and final awareness. They may distract students from the stress and study. The part-time job can beneficial the manage properly without affecting the
education.
What do you think, the reading books or watching videos?
Books improve the imagination, vocabulary, and concentrations. They deep encourage thinking. Videos are more engaging and easier for learning, but may reduce focus on book to long-term learning.
Okay, thank you very much for answering your job.